Hello, greetings teacher. My name is Oscar Javier Jimenez Jimenez. Software intellectual property protection. How the software vendor protect the code they develop, ensure no one steal their products are used in another manner. How a good lawyer or legal thing to clarify exactly which right you have and how best to protect them. File patents and register trademarks were password. Careful screen employees and independent contractors and have done sign no disclosure agreements before working with you. Starting good with your data and security device and follow advanced practices for, for data security. Once your technology and ready for distribution and the market where you need the protect software is around licensing management system. The method used CAS method because company the Software Colombia has improved this process technology and adapter study carried out. It was found that this company has generated a saving in resource and the development cost 50%. The calculations were made based on the cost savings approach, approach for investigation and development. General condition at the licensing and the negotiation. Assess, assessing your software accent and monitoring you evaluation are the crucial first steps in negotiation. Organizations are increasing using IT asset management and compliance software tools to obtain and ensure the software asset in the process. Conclusion: the software license is a kind contract where all the rules and classes they govern the use of certain programs are specified, mailing the scope they use, installation, reproduction, and copying at these prices are stipulated in the preparation of contract and licensing. The advances the expert and subject and legal matters and the ways software development expert and programming might be counted since different points of view needed. Thank you very much.